da bakala no awe pagite mala bakala tapal yola soslomo a losino no pagite mala tapara soslomo wili no taparo soslomo wili basana ka taba paklo no taba paklo kya no leda na khutaro paklo patu patala patamu no paklo sukumu no paklo pagite mala pakamadile no pakumudile okay cái này ta paklo soslomo agi eklo no tabakha tabat huye no oropa ne minute le no pakale pakakwa no pakasukumu no taletaki tipha no we understand about the David charge to Solomon but we should think about here is the Solomon throne established this means is the charge and he should be okay established no then could have pakru patala targeted pai sikolo patamu pusikolo no penny pakasila tamata la taitaku til family mile now Adonia no the son of Hagis no Hagit went to Bethsaba Solomon mother Bethsaba asked him no Panene Pactum Adonia no Patel William name Matakamani okay you are a good man no you will not die okay you do evil things you will die you should die no then I painted Deborah no Adonia the son of Hagini a well lebrasu when I saw Solomon a mo no by the Seba on so Solomon mother Bathsheba asked him no do Solomon a mo no Poiderma Sapa Solomon a mo Bathsheba ni no tikwa o mono ask him sida tikwa do you come peacefully no Poiderma the hell tahuta po no kwa pero tedi mono Penny pe yeteda dinimono pasana ke pe ero le phala no pa kanyo o'clock no pa kanyo o'clock se po no pe no do no khaki phukwa no khaki no aphukwa kora no so dunia Jesus Solomon amon no ba the seba oh do wera seba oh ne hem mu sikko no you can peacefully sit down hem mu pe ne ko ra no peacefully sit down hele takuta po but te ordinate to tisiko no just see whether mumu no no what's see whether he answered yes peacefully no let them go mumu no there no then he added no pagiter ma wulo ne aware he talk wala no he talk wala I have something to say to you no yero te ta tamimi le nama no yero I have something to say to you yero te da na ta tamimi no do nama no paine pagiter ma le chain ne da do se wada no me no mumulo do siwada yekatuta rona allo o do siwada katuta ki no yekatuta rona allo o mo no paine kwera lo allo o mo no yekatuta rona allo o mo no kwera pa nyo klon no bagidera mala tay ni no I have something saved to you you may say it she replied no atera la ke ne tethe mo no awasi sewara mo no ne tethe no let down the Kurara, Penny to Vadala Katutarki, no? Away may tell upon your cloth, you may say it, let us lend the Katutarki, no? Let down the Kurara Penny, Pathinia la Tamata, Therapasico, no? Dile. As you know, he says, no? As you know, he says it on a memory to me, no? Penny Devada, no? Sivera Nathinia la Bo mu me. Talo no bomu no mi jitalo de no bomu ni mi ta no de da pane hetebra soslomo amone mo no hetebra mo no as you know he said the kingdom was mine no bomu ni mi ta no de no all Israel look to me no poida paisa photit phane kwaya mo no looks to me ne paisa photit phane kwaya no Why shall we kill any quiet man? No, quiet as their king. No, where they parallel shop man. No, but Penetra Isra color pa mele lo ditu, Jackie taught sopa. No, when he had Tevram, did you get a sopa? No, but I can acquire, did you get a sopa? No, do Paketetema didn't we a lot kine, no? Pakasilo penny Tevra delay, no, Tevra, no. But then change, but then change, and the kingdom has gone to my brother, for it has come to him from the Lord, no. But then Paketema dinner, no, the Tana Hutalo, Pakrasikumutalo, Patamopo, Tatamimi, Letamata, Sikon alone. No. Penny no Paketema, Tatami, Le Pakasi or Pakatu or Le Munitimi, no. Penny, Tevra le, no, Nogi, Tevra dile, Penny, do Bomu, no, Hagadaki atha, do Keto village dopuwe, no, Keto village dopu etalo, Agidi e, no, Keto atala jualo, no, Agidi Keto atala jualo, no, Little Kura Takiro Dala, no, and not one is a man, Bomu did find, no, Kate, Kera le, the dopueta. No kera away in the middle, takira sikolo juata, no. No kagane e, no, yeka hita the milena, hakwin the medigi, no kagane in it, yeka hita the milena, no, yeka hita the milena, no, hakwila, no, Pagaderma hakwi the medigi, no, where siba or katutarki, no. No, we run it, Tevera paid now. I have one request to make of you. Do not refuse me. Do not refuse me, no? You request it and begin my hidala not the meme, no? Dano Kurane, Hakule Yari, no? Pero Debra dile, you may make it, she said, no? I went in Namathilo, no? I work to that, no? No, see where I see about Katutarki, no? Katutarki, no? Let no Kutara penny, no? So he continued, we run it, I work to Rada. Please ask the King Solomon. He will not refuse you to give me Abishar, the tsunamis, as my wife. Did I put it on? Penny Katuera letter me, the Sivera Katulado saw Pa Solomon, agreed to eat the Hakwi and Mele Naba, did to Akahilo Yala, Pasuni Pu, no. Abasala Yamarki, Pasune Pono Abasala Yama, Mono, away Teral, away Hira, Mono, away the Hiral Pomo only, no? I'm not gonna away Batha, and not Abasa. Little La Hira less of Slomo. I want to take Otto Sicolo, no? No, Penny, Pagated very well, not really, Mono, I don't even know. But the Sibasi Kisegamo, but the Sibanis Shagada. No, but Siba said, reply, no, very well, no, well, no, really, mono. I will speak to the king for you, no, Yaka Katuri Talan, no, no, sopa, oh, no, Yaka Katuta do, sopa, no, no, Katuta penny, we a lot, you know, Pagated Mala Penny. When the Bathsheba went to the, not to King Solomon to speak to him for Adoniah, no, the king stood up to meet her, bound down to hers, and sat down on his plate. Has sat down on his throne. He has a throne browse for the king mother, and she sat down as his right hand. Now I want to so slow morning, see no what I associate kapana. Right hand sit down a list. No, Susit kapana. Let us put our penny. Katu vera takatu the part. Le takitaklu. No, Pagasi timala. Agi clue. The part delay. No, penny katu vera le takitaklu. No, but the Siba le susapasslum or did to Akakatu tala. No, so Adonia ago. Do sopa. No, sopa geset tetago. Do sula ako. Do sinola. A lopesu. Do Palo Pala Lopesula Sopa Amo, a godo, a weda sinola a sutwelo, no? I want to so packet take to never a more woman, no sin no well a suit way, mono, David at dinner, mono. No pain it, David out over a tight tack with the permanent millennium, particular qua pay the support, no. I has one small request to make of you, she said, no. Do not refuse me, no. Atera ya ero hita no no ye ero hita, no, porque mano sura ye hita hit a sit milena, hack win a medigi, no. Ye hita hit a sit milena, hack win a medigi, not Debra dinner, no. No, when the king replies, Maid is my mother, I will not refuse you, no. At Debra ke, no, porque my pain, no. No. So passivada hitaki yamu no agiri yetahakwi yameba no he yetahakwi yameba no pain it devada so she said no we run it away devada no less no abasa no the tsunami be give and married to your brother Adonia no away devada pain no Kovara le manutimile, no pain is osolomus, si set out of Siva amo. Do he was suripu, no abisa, no, not abisa, la so Adonia ago, me abamanile, no pain is Sivera, he lopas sunim, po no abisa la, nadobu wes, so Adonia la amariki, no, I want it Debramano. So Adonia le amariki not a bisa no Baini Korala no tsunami La the Tanakutarone Pakete Mala Tamata did pine Mitamine no so slow Sisera no his mother why do you request not about an abisa the tsunami for Adonia no when it mitala no Nakitala not Adonia one in me bamanile, no. You might as well require the kino for him. After all, he is my older brother. Yes, for him and for Abiathar, the priest and Joba, son of Syria. No, Panero, they were learn the Krahinita la agwoman, le bomu, no, le agwoman, no. Le bomu, because my pain, no. The Hisiko bomu le agorki, agidi, a wedan and major dopuelo. The Hila agodo le pain, no. A wedding major dopuelo, there are passanaki look on older brothers, sit and middle, no, a dopuelo a doom, no, but dopuelo a doom, no. When a jaw, pair of dead in a man, dopuelo a doom. Let no good penny terra a one major dopuelo, or quera lep on your clone, but Tom Popolo, no. Do he, no, do he ago, do le polluta do, no polluta ado, so ibaya tago, do le no seruya, a pukwa, so you are a worky, there are him on machinitala, but the dune go kele casima, we did power, no. No paid up a qualicisitani tevedadile, not the king Solomon swore by the Lord, may God deal with me, be it ever so, not severely, if Adonia does not pay with his life for his request, no. Let no good or penny tevra, no, do soslomo sutala yuamenya no siweda, taka to the te. So Adonia me take a tuba toda athata muda webado mojwa maya dini do ane anirki no letano huta on it away tevera dinamo no ane anirki no no pay do kisi luini tevedile no tamatala kisi luini tevedile no and now as surely as the Lord live he who has established me no securities on the throne of my father David and has founded a dynasty for me as he promised. Adonia shall be put to death today no when it debra when no our promise whether la adonia ne kabati tini nyai lo no khapro lo pagitera mala apa kasa yo mudi no the apa pa tho lo ta wei do kekani I yo muwele ado uga suklaya do pa tho ya la yapa soda we a lot basu phokku do maya la hit play di asipa tu ni so adonia kabata mathi ola mu masatani lo awane so adonia ne taba mathi lo no khapro lo akhira ma no khapro lo akhira ko ni no hey do pagitera mala kisi ye no kisi ye ne tebe di le no no pay do kisi ye ni teba di le so no King Solomon give order to no Bania son of Jehoiada and he stressed down Adonias and he died no when it began malam no so Solomon malo no malo so Jehoiada apukwa so Abanaya do aweda clock we all do thiwe lo no when it tak lo thiwe no pegatete malata pita ma la amma weda ne akhira ne anakon ba la khiwa lo sopa o no le khiwa lo amo o le ta no tai ko o tho phe ne mo no pegatete mala atevra lo bo mu sikon ne ata mo no le tevete ne mo no anakon tami ata no mi ba le ta no ko ta no pukra patu pata sikon ne lo no kisi ko ne tevra de le to Abiathar the priest the king said go back to your field and not another you deserve to die not you not deserve to die but I will not put you to death now because not you carry the ark of the sovereign Lord before my father David and share all my father hardship no pagitera when it pathinya sikola akatuta ro no so abithe no phay ni tevra di le no kekani I no yekakhita tami le na khakwi no phay ni no kisikha do seba do sopa seba paluta do so elibia no so ebia thir hatok su na ha no Hanathu su na hoku agawo da nedki agidi nemita thi apakanyo basado yet de mathiba nala mumasatani ba agidi nesu no nesu kasaywa atalala yapa sodawi amenya lo agidi no pagitena ma agidi no pay ni agiri nabata na tapho le kye ta na tapho pu le aba yapa lo nabata na tapho le no pagitera ma le ta na tapho pu le yapa lo no no phane do pagitera ma apa ba na ba pho kha ne no pagitera ma we bya sa si ko ne awe ba na ba ta na tapho mo no le ta no ko awe so wada you are at la phane kha ne no le ta ta ma si yo ma no awe krasi asai tarama theo ba no tebra de no kisi nui ne teba pwa de le no so Solomon removes Abiathar from the priesthood of the Lords no awet to wera Abiathar le pagitera mala paluta do phane no fulfilling the words the Lord has spoken no Silon about the house of no Eli no let no ko ta ro awe ma pwe wera bakala no mapwero wera pagitena mala thura ku wera Abiathar do pagitena mala mapwe ki wera baka ywa glitha lakatu pawana si yu ne no awakati wera hile Eli agoma no letana pagitena mala phai ne pangyo klone pagile phawat se bo no do so Solomon hotok we so e Abiathar le paluta adu alo le ywa menya de to akamala top we to ywa agli thala akatuta la so no sopli apwa hipo no hipo agi klola silo apulo no awakama pwe wera no away ni pagitera mala no pagitera mal pagitete odile no ta mata te pha le mata le teninyai no mata le teninyai ke le kesine no no pay ni pakete ma la no pay do kisi khone te ba pwa di le no pakale kwa le kisi khone no Let us put out kisi khone te ba pwa di le one the new riches no Joba who has conspired with Adonia thoughts not with Absalom. He fell to the tent of the Lord and took hold of the horn of the altar. Now, part of the second, what here now? What here with us, second, no? What here where Lemonu Ricule, but not per second, no? Penny here kissing one. No, I can son who will sue so you are Olo, not that, no? I get the no, I get the so you are the Haba Atasu, so Abasolo, a lucky bus, Sado, Hatasu, so Adonia, a lucky Nilo, do so you are here, su you are depu, do he hatalu lo anna, the palo, no, when he hatalu lo anna, monopoly, no, do what he covered, no. Other Kizikuni, Penny, King Solomon was told that, no, Joah has failed to attend of the Lord's and was beside their altar. That Solomon ordered Benaiah, son of Jehoiada, go strike him down. No, put them at lay, no, put them at Hakilo Som, no, put them at dinner, no. No possible so Solomon so you are li su you are depu no kwa o wele talulo akhelo do so Solomon molo so Jehoiada apukwa soba naya do siweda le clock we or ki no awe le clock we no la mathi ku we no no ben ni tesine tebra le no so no Benaiah entered the tent of the Lord and said to no Joah, the king say, come out, no. Penero sopate, but no, he answered, no, I will die here, no. Benaiah reports to the king, this is how Joah answered me, no, terala, jagathi paylo, no, Joah sister dinner, no, terra pain, no. No, possible so you are, no. Penny, Tevada Tussini, do so Benaiah lesu, you are debu, do Siba or Sopa Sibata de Hetotaki, do Sivada, Yeteheba, Yagathi Paylo, no Yeteheba, Yagathi Paylo, do so no Benaiah Sutakatuni, Su Sopa O, do Sivada, so you are Siva de do Caesar Yadi ilo, no Sue de Caesar Yadi ilo, no. Let an Hutaro, Pagitete Mala, not a West Sevadini, no. Let an Hutaro, then the king command Benaiah, do as you say, strike him down and bury him, and so kill me, no. And my father's house or the guilt of the ancient blood that you are sick, no. Let an Hutaro, but Thinya Sicola. No, Juani Devada love Britain Malan, no pain so passiba, ma or dear siwe to me. Clock we all, no coolock we all, dear to a cathiqui, ta thriller ta deba, to Ubala so you are do lulowe, nilla ya, dollar, Japa apahi puniki, no over to lulo neve ya, no Japa apahi not David dinner, no. No pain it Devada lady, no, the sea. Not the Sikini David, the Lord will repay him for the blood he said he seek, now because without the knowledge of my father David, he attacked two men and killed them with the sword, both of them. Korala Abana, son of Nar, commander of Israel, Ami and Amasa, son of Jether, commander of Judah army, no, we are better men and more upright than he နော်ပကတိမှာလဲ more upright than he စစ်တယ်မေပွာလာအဒိုနေထောင်းနေအောင်မနော်မင်းနာပွာလာအကိနေအောင်မနော်ဒေါ်ယွာကတိဟဲကီအသွိလအခုတော့ဝဲလောပွာကလော့ဝေပွာနော်ပကတိမှာပွာလာအကလော့ဝေပွာနော်တေရာပွာလာအကလော့ဝေပွာခီရလာအဘောနေတော့ဂီနီနော်အကဆာဒဝဲတော့မာသီအော်လာနာနော်အကဆာဒဝဲတော့မာသီအော်လာနာနော်ယပစောဒဝေတိညာနော်တိညာဘဣစရေလအပွားသမှုအခုစောနေဖုခွာစောအဘိနေဒေါ်ယူဒာအပွားသမှုအခုစောခိတာဖုခွာစောဟာမာဆာလောနော်ဟာမာဆာလက်တနခုကြတော့နေအဝဲကတူတာဂီဝေနေလောနော်ကတူဝဲတာဂီဝေဤတာတိတဖိုင်နေလောနော်လက်တနခုကြတော့ပကရပသုပသလတာဂီတိတဖိုင်ဤလောမနုအခိတမီလေနော်ဖဲနေပကလေကွာစစ်ကောလတမအသာတိတဖာနော် we has to look it for what happening နော်လက်တနခုကြတော့နေနော်ဖဲနေတေဗရာလနော်30 ပကလေလေ30နေနော်တေဘာပွားနေလေ33နော် chapter 33နေverse 33နေတေဘာပွားနေလေနော်ဖဲ may the guilt of their blood rest on the head of Joah and his descendants forever, but on David and his descendants, his house and his throne. May there be the Lord's peace forever. No, may there be the Lord's peace forever. Let them quote around it, no? But get a mala peace now forever. Let them look at a Pathinia sickle, targeted pile, Tama theatre passicle. The Sitani Teba body, no? A tweak a hecky but so you are a cook, not a clear, not a clear thought a cook. Lord, too low you law. Mimi learn so that we alone. Don't let a clear thought alone. Don't let a pahipo low. Don't let a lopper a pokuni, not a huta poco, a so a haha. လေရွာတော့နော်တခုတဖို့အိုဆူဆူအခါလေရွာနော်လက်တနကိုတော့တစီလူနေတေမပွာလေမနီတီမီလေပကလေကွာနော် so နော်အဘီနော်ဘီနီယာဆန်နော်ဘီနီယာဆန်of Jehoiada went up and struck down Joab and killed him နော်ပနေတော့အဝဲလေဘီနီယာနော်ပကတိမှာ Jehoiada အဖုခွာဘီနီယာနော်အဝဲလေရတော့ပကတိမှာ clock ဝီဖာနေနော် clock ဝီနော်ဂျူအာတော့ပကတိမှာနော်မာတိကွီဖာနေလောနော်ပကတိ and he was buried on his own land နော်တာခုလောက်ကွာလအနောက်ကစားရဝဲအလောအကလေနော်ပကတိမှာလည်းအတာလောတာကလေပုံမနော် in the desert နော်လပမှုကန the king post နော် Benia son of Jehoiada over the army in Joab position and replace Abiathar with Zadok the priest Zadok ne tabasot the lekwala Abiathar lo ne tasot the lekwala Abiathar litano kutaro pay ni pekele kwa le Tasilui Tamata Tasiye Tamata ne tevedile Hey do Bukita Mala do so papato so Yehoiada Pukwa so Bayathela Alola Patumu Aku do so papa paluta adudo sadula so e Bayatha Alonilo Sadonita so Bayatha Alo Mana away no patoki women no Pato Palovelo no Penny Bukita Mala Tasikuni Tiba Padre them the king sent for Simeon and said to him, build yourself a house in Jerusalem and live there, but do not go anywhere else. No, Pagitana Mala, no. Penny sopa tevera, no, Simini, Pagitana Ma, Penny, sopa tevera Simini, Terra. Sopa Maluera, Malutado. Kuni so simi no simi ne seba o no the he le Jerusalem pu do open it gi do ha top penny nor purgi tinhi penny open ha top nor purgi no lejerus le puni no mau penny no ha top nor purgi no that's in the day you leave and cross the no Kidron Valley you can be sure you will die your blood will be on your own head that do below really no that do below me we run in no that three nickel ball axalo now when it's so slow do below that no no mutton learn the heart do koga tiklo kido do takama athala nakathinya the park teller nabati no lo na three ko ola na koda ne lo awane ne bati no me koga kido ne no awane no open ma jwata ma phane no namalo haba ne me hane nakasi no when it tewe wili no ta thi ne ko ola ne lo no ba kha pa nyo no ga ba no away ni see me answer the king no awane see me ne sisagara ke sopa ne what you said is good no our talent ten me ta ki lo your servant will do as my lord the king has said no tala nakun pwane kamawe didro no kasa sopa tewe to ni lo no and Simeon stay in Jerusalem for a long time now pane Simeon awe ora la Jerusalem pune pagiter ma jiji momo no pagiter ma jiji momo no tasi kho phe ni kiter ma no so Simeon sisa sopa takatu Nikili di yekasa sopa siwa to ne nakina poa kamadine to lo do so simi owele Jerusalem apu ani atolo we owele Jerusalem apu no ani ato tebera we no do pero pakete makaleta tirphani tesi queen tebera bus 3 years later no pane thani pukwe lokini no 2 hours now Simeon slave ran out to Archie son of Macha no king of God when you know David no king of God and Simeon was told your slaves are in God no when you know Teba la ken kunapane olakam no let na khuta ne phai ni pakete ma dile no when the thirsty queen David adile no do 30 akatoni tama athala so simi no aku kiga khitokwi suka tha no asopa no maka apukwa so aki o do pwadune so simi do siweda kwakwa no kwakwa nakuna pwane khiwe le kata apulo nakina pa khiwe le kata apu no let us go to pain away no at this he saddled his donkey and went to no Archie's and got in shot of his slave so Simeon went away and brought the slave back from God no away pagitera mala Simeon no away pagitera ma dile no Lucine dela pain no so Simeon get settled do gwaka kathiyo do lewesu kata su no so aki o do dito akahu ne aku pala dos so simi leta do heso aku pala kata apulo weso ku pala kata apu no leta ne khoda ro pakro patu pata le minute mile no paine pakatel no lucita ne no when Solomon was told that Simeon has gone from Jerusalem to God God no has returned no aware when it talked about Solomon so Simeon level kata mano poiterma lele no poiterma haro Jerusalem no level no kata do pe aware haki mano the king no poiterma the king Solomon no Simeon and said to him no panelo sopa poiterma le teba mano pay ni no Pagitera mare pain no Devara la takatu tirpa minute mile no pain no pain Lucy key no Lucy key ni pagitera no do sopa molota do kuni pane no do pane do seba soslomo mo pas နော်လူစီတာနော်စေဝဒဆောဆလိုမိုလဆောစီမီလက်ထောလယေရုရှလင်စုကာတာတော့ဟကိကဒါကီဝဲလောနော်လက်ထောစုကာတာတော့ဟကိကဒါကီလောတော့ဖိနေတဲရလာတခင်နော် Simon and said to him, Did I not make you swear by the Lord and warn you on this day you leave to go anywhere else you can be sure you will die. At the time you said to me, what you said is good, I will obey. No, I want to tell you now. See me, no, so pateba willy mono. Pay me, no, so pa ma loda do kuni so see me do sivada. Oh, no, you do sooner la you amenya. Do you ujata do na do see. Mutanilan ha talk with do. Neleta pe ni name. No, negatinya tapakete le negatino no. Temiba do nasi saya negatuta le yena huni gilo no gili. Wane mo no. Yena huni gili no ne te adin mo no. Do negatuta ne bata su baka do yua do ta malo le yamalo na ne me abana no ame me abana le no leta no khuda ro tora phane no me abana le phane no leta no khuda ro lusi lu ni tevada le the king also said to see me no para so pane tevada no sevada see me no you know is your heart all the wrong you did to my father David no you did to my father David now the Lord will repay you for your wrongdoing no away ni tera la namakamara mano la namakama nasinya la nasu nasada ne lo no namakamara la nasabu ne no namakamara la yapa asu sikone namakamara no letano kai sikone namakamara nasinya la ti lo no no so pa seba so simi nasinya la nasakipu no kaye ta la ta ele Namba yapa sodawi do yuagadu heki daki nata nakuda ne lo awane no nama apa yapa lenya mano kaini no yihi palona ha thonar churi upeni no name ha ne si leta no khoda na si lo no bero lucy ni tewada de le no lucy no bene lucy lui mga yapa mano lucy lui ni no Lucy and David but King Solomon will be blessed and David's throne will remain secure before the Lord forever penny not there penny David delay penny David delay do so pass Solomon kabata sugi or do so that we a lot so ka uga sukla jwa amenya no pagdama loso lo thoro no awani tevada din mo no phai ni no lucy the ni no lucy khu ni tevada de le no then the king gave the order to no Benaiah son of Jehoiada and he went out and struck Shimei down and killed him the kingdom was now firmly established and Solomon hand. Now let them go to but thing yalla pay ni established it and me takla no tala takla no let them go to pakrapatu patala patamupuna lusikuni tebada padi no do so pa molo so Jehoiada apukwa so Banaya do away whether ha tho do clock we or do thiwe lo do bo mu we klowela soslomo sipulo leta no kura pakrapatu patala tagi de khai ni patiba tatamile pargala olata wini tabama hago ata oloba no mima hago ata olone di atebetu thini kathilo okay patinya la soslomo ata khala glu ni suta ro kasaywa no pakete mala kasaywa sikwane malo weda apholi de phani tebe ni negathiro kathi sita ni pakete ma othisa ge negathiro kathi okay this is a art okay art and we should think about carefully obey okay Don't go anywhere, you should go anywhere, okay? When you go, you will die, okay? Stay there, don't go anywhere, stay there, okay? You go, you will die. Now, let that put on the million the film, no? The minute me ne pomata or the patamu, Pasana get pomahago. I went in meet a pelita Laura le pasu, no? Pelita Laura. Let that look don't lie, no? But the ballo leader, no? But me leader, but all of that will leave a leader who are get on a tie call. တိဖာလပတာမပူနော်ကိုကြတော့နေပကလပတ်ပါလပတာမပူနော်ပကလေလေးလေပကမာဒီလေပကူဒီလေပကအိုဆူပကူပကဆူဒီလေပကလပတ်ပါတာနော်ပမီတဲပတမာပါနေပတမာပါပမီတဲပမာနေပမာနော်အဝဲနေမှာနော်ပကတဲနမှာတိုက်ခေါ်မို့တော့ပကဘာမာနေမမနော်ပမီတဲလပတမာပါနေပတမာပါအဝဲနေမီတောက်လအမီအတော်လို့ပကလတဲဝဲနော်ပါတပါလစုကမတာလလက်ဤလင်းနေနော် don't think about it okay Don't feelings about so bad to other people. He say you, he don't do it. That's okay, he don't do it. Okay. And then you promise you don't do it. Okay, don't do it. Alright. You promise you don't do it, you do it. This is wrong. Okay, this is a punishment coming to you. No. Little no kuta on a pakropatu patala tamu. No. Permiss patama. Okay, Margi, no. Permiss money, Pama. Away in metala. ပကရပတ်သူပတာလဲနော်ပကတဲ့တမလာ Solomon throw Estabilis နော် Estabilis လက်တနခုတာတော့ပကရပတ်သူပတာလဲပတာမှုပေါ့နော်အဝနေစောပါစော Solomon အလောနေပကတဲ့တမလာတဘာမာဂမာကလောနော်အလောစီနော်နေတဘာမာဂမာကလောနော်အဝနေပကရပတိညာနော်အဝနေကွာလာ family establish တာနဲ့မေတာလာတာခခိနော်ခိဂဂကလပရိတက်မှာတဲ့မှာနော်ဆောစလမအထော့ဆောပါဝီအလော့ခိနေကတူတာတတိနေတတိလောတက်ကတူခိတိပါနော်တေဝရလကဲနမေမတာဂိနေနမေကဲပွားဂိနေနကိုအမှုပါနမေကဲပွားအော်လီနေကမဖီနော်တော့ပရိတိညာလားနော်ပရိတက်မှာအဒိုနီယာနေနော်အဒိုနီယာနော် we know that Adonia promise ready okay and Solomon the king Solomon said when you are good you will live okay you are evil you will die you should die okay let them know what thing no hey sikone keve atevada la no pagitera mala simi sikodin no ma le obe Jerusalem ko bune ko he talking simi the same thing okay stay in the Jerusalem don't go anywhere okay you go you will die now let them know what are on it let them know what are le no churi ni me le na si no awane no awane tala pakanyo atu asa ne pe sinya no ma da takre de ba u ama no pe dem ba leader lora le pata bu pete patama ba pama no pete le petele ba pele awane me tala ta ta so de me le pe dem ma soslo ma dai ne me tala akhi no abo mu u we gke we da no basa na ki ni pe sinya le chet me le ama no pa mu akhi klo khu ta lo ni ta ke ro ta ta bi tu bu ni lo no mo ya su ki agli tha ro su pwe ko ka de ti no thank you so much my brother and my sisters okay god bless you you should think about it you want to read in verse and the first king chapter 2 okay first king chapter 2 verse 13 to the end no but verse 13 to the 46 no verse 13 to the 46 this is a First King chapter 2 verse 13 to the 46 you should think about it reading bad you don't understand it you can read it bad by yourself this is Solomon throne is a bliss this means it's a great thing not the great thing you should learn from Solomon talking only one spoken okay speak one time not second time okay once first time second time kill finish okay don't tell nothing okay first time telling second time finish the same thing the God's warning Israel second time punishment okay remember this my friend and my brother God bless you all I will see you next time thank you bye bye okay about 44 minutes and 45 minutes okay about coming time Thank you so much. I will see you later. No, to me, I don't panic. Think about it. Pagkatete man, no. Just so pa, asaruki, asapo, no. Asapo ni, but thing ya on le me go ni to sither no so what sither to lo le no Lucy who paki pa pa ne ba kha le so slomo atapitama atai tak lo ni lo mo so ki tu le ta la tin ni ki tablo no God bless you all I will see you next time no bye bye thank you so much everyone